pleasant day to everyone. My name is Aljon Ortonio and I'm here to introduce to all of you my business proposal. Title is Establishment of a Carlitos Restaurant, branch along Nicanor Reyes Street, Sampaloc, Manila. Part of my job as a public relation. Director is to propose to big business establishment on an expansion of business. Interest, having notified that there's a vacant space on that place. So, I offer with optimism this proposal. The food center at the University Belt could not accommodate all the customers, especially during peak hours. The area being thickly populated, the students, professionals, and permanent residents. To remedy this problem, I propose that you choose the area along Nicanor Reyes Street for business expansion. This proposal details the problem, the solution, and the cost. The problem is the location, cost of land, security, and financial rewards. Man can forgo almost everything except food. It being necessary populated for survival. Location, the best place to establish a food in a university belt. Cost of land, the 20,000 per square meter of land is a comparatively low since the current price of land in the area is 25,000. In security, there are many policemen assigned to secure in 24-hour routine. My proposal shown the viability of the Carlitos restaurant. There is no better time. There is no better business than food center. There is no better than now. And again, I'm Aljon Ortonio and this is my title proposal.